Alright, let's get this racker jacker installed. Today all you're going to need for installation is a small screwdriver punch and also your racker jacker. First thing we're going to do is make sure the firearm is unloaded. Second thing we're going to do is lock the slide back. I'm then going to rotate over the firearm and gain access to the small spacer sleeve. We're going to depress on the spacer sleeve. We're going to take our thumb and push on the back plate while keeping the thumb over the back of the slide to ensure that neither of the springs shoot out. We can then gently release on our spacer sleeve, revealing the sleeve and also the extractor spring. We're then going to take our racker jacker, start to slide it onto the back of the slide. We then are going to take the same tool that we had before and depress on the spacer sleeve and then also the extractor spring. Then we push until we hear an audible click, and there you have an installed racker jacker.